Hey everybody, just taking a few minutes here to share out my Scratch project. Um, I don't really make uh, it much of a secret that this type of technology has been a little bit of a struggle for me. So, um, what I wanted to do here for this particular project was to do just something fun, a little bit different than what we had been working on for the past week here. So, what I've done is just basically set up a stage with a bunch of different drums, cymbals, and a singer, and it's basically on a when clicked basis. So it's not, I didn't do anything with the little green flag here. So, and you might catch some of the lyrics here as to what particular song that I might be referring to. Always one of my favorite SNL skits, but we'll get started here. So we're going to start with the drum kit, then move over to the other set of drums, the drum snare, the cymbal, and to the singer at the end. So let's get her started. So, oh, well, look at that. I've already made a mistake. Give me one quick second here and I'm going to fix this. Uh, I had meant to set them all to when clicked. So we're going to start this over one more time here. Hang on one second. Get that out of there. It's a little sloppy. Okay. And finally, our favorite singer in the background. All right. Well, I hope you enjoyed it. I'm interested to see if anybody has a chance to play around with it and change a few things, but I appreciate it. Take care.